Mandy Suganuma with 94.7 Kumu, and we are here in Mapunapuna at 623 Kakoi Street at Hawaii's finest in-stock cabinets. Brand new store. They started on Maui, just opened here on Oahu, and we're really lucky to have them. They're right across from the U-Haul in Mapunapuna, as you can see here, which is a pretty great location to be able to find where they're at. Now, we're going to go check out what they can do for you. In-stock cabinets, what does that mean? Well, that means that you get premium quality for standard prices. You can see a part of the warehouse we have here just to my left. And also, they even have a second part of the warehouse down over there. So let's take a walk inside the showroom and find out exactly what they have to offer. Okay, so now we are inside the showroom here at Hawaii's finest in-stock cabinets. Brand new, just opened on May 3rd. So if you're going to come on by in person, which is probably one of the best things for you to do, that way you can see everything. You can see Katrina here. We have Leah as well, and they'll be the ones who help you with your order. Whether it's for a new home or if you're remodeling, they can help you with all of your cabinet needs. As you can see, they have a big display here. Now these cabinets can be customized to fit whatever you're looking for in different colors, but the important part is to know that they are all wood, and if you place your order today, it's ready to go out the door the same day. Now that's not to say they can't customize for you as well, because if you're looking for a custom job, they can also special order pretty much anything you need, including they have cabinets back here as well. They can also do entertainment centers built directly into the wall. Any kind of shelving units you would need, they can also help you customize that as well. And it's pretty cool here. You guys got to come check it out in person. Mapunapuna, 623 Kakoi Street, across from the U-Haul. It's Hawaii's finest in-stock cabinets. So I'm here with Leah. Leah is the PR marketing director here for Hawaii's finest in-stock cabinets. You can even hear her on the commercial on 94.7 Kumu with their cool little jingle. You can see the beautiful in-stock wood cabinets behind us. Now Leah, just to give a little more details to our listeners and viewers on the website, what is so great about Hawaii's finest in-stock cabinets?
The good thing about our cabinets is you're getting premium upgraded hardware. We do stock all the sizes, and it is all solid wood, so you do not get any press board or particle board, and it's pretty much at the same price.
Fantastic. So like we mentioned before, premium quality at a standard price. So you got to take advantage. Come on in today. If they want to check out ahead of time, maybe look at your website. What website can they go to?
It's www.instockcabs.com.
Fantastic. And a phone number so they can give your front office, Katrina, a call. How can they get in touch with her?
That's 839-8022.
Fantastic. Leah and Mandy here for Hawaii's finest in-stock cabinets.